Yay! Amazingly great! Spam tastes exceptional with kimchi and rice. Twist the can a couple of times, then punch the bottom of it to take it out easily. Step 1. Pan-fried spam. Spam has a lot of fat, so you don't need any cooking oil for this. The table is set. This one needs cooking oil. Step 2. Stir-fry kimchi with spam. If your kimchi is too sour, you can add sugar. Serve with seaweed flake and fried egg. Wait, isn't it almost kimchi fried rice? Yes, you're right. Step 3. Kimchi fried rice with spam. Simply add cooked rice at the last stage of step 2. Step 4. Spam kimchi stew. Add broth and bring it to a boil. Add 다시다 if you're using plain water. Add 두부 and fresh chili if you like it. See the description for more infos. 안녕!